the cars don't pass.
Oh,
Good,
okay.
good.
So we can walk on the
Can we get on the
top.
top?
We can
Yes,
walk
of
on the
course.
top.
Oh yeah, you can see the people. Yeah, you can see the people.
Oh, you see there, Brahms in the front?
Oh yes, yes,
But
yes.
he's in the other
That's
side.
some guy.
Yes, in
Ah, I
that.
see, I see. This is great, isn't it? Can you say obrigada?
Obrigada.
Yeah, the lady.
Obrigado.
Yeah, you meant together.
Obrigado.
Are you ready for the food?
Which is
It's a
surprising.
huge family, yeah. The biggest families from here, like they start.
This is truffle butter, yeah?
Tomato sauce and olive sauce.
Obrigado?
Oh, that's the cheese from Brazil.
And please be careful because the plate is
Hot with the slow cooked egg. Breadcrumbs.
Olive? Olive is one of the most famous But this is the one that's on cheese with the sweetness of the God, that's amazing.
Oh, looks nice and soft.
Wow. Dog's recommendation. sort of tablecloth.
The yesterday we had the cheese. Remember the
From Misa.
from Misa. Oh, that's the gold salted gold.
Definitely had some of that.
But bananas.
Pork and olive oil. And very difficult to find. It's very long. It's that one here.
Ah, so is that what
Yeah.
you call it? The
And you find this inside the
sama,
thing.
Japanese sama. Yeah.
And for you eat, you need to make this here. You need cutting, you need to put olive oil, a little bit lime, and it's very, very good. If you go more down, I'm going to show you the codfish and chickpeas. The codfishing olive oil. And this is a codfish made for Master Chef, that one here. Have a red pepper of Jamaica. It's very good combination. If you go more up, you have 27 flavors of sardines. I'm going to show you another exotic product. This is fillet of the ray, fillet of the ray.
ray.
Yeah.
Another marikiri. It's another food.
Already, it's probably good. Sure.
The hot dog.
Look at that.
This is a sandwich.
Delicious, isn't it?
Is it a finger job? Oh,
No, I think
it's got pork inside.
Yeah, and sausage. Wow.
I can use pork or knife.
No, yeah.
It's a way to bring back olive oil.
For 2 years. This one is late bottle vintage because it's bottled with between 4 and 7 years old. Okay?
too. There it is. This one here from.
Yeah, I'll talk about the
I'm very confused the difference.
Yes. Yeah, we'll go through all the laws and I'll explain everything.
Fantastic, thank you.
Yes.
The ones near the river, the same grade.
Yeah. Yeah, you are used, but not the same. Always serve drink that should be drink at 8-10 degrees. So we serve from the fridge, the tonics. So you should drink them at 10 degrees, not serve them at 10 degrees. We serve at 5-6 degrees because they get really warm really fast. You know, they like this. The rubies and the vintage, they should